Hey guys, this is Lev for GMP Custom Fabrications, and on today's video I'm going to do something I really hadn't done in a while. And I'm going to actually fabricate something on camera from start to finish with the camera going the whole time. So my project today, although I have a lot of things on Sketchy I want to get done, this one came up and it seemed like a pretty easy, straightforward project that I'd like to share with you. Now a little background on Sketchy. If you have not been on my channel before and for some reason this is the first video that you've watched, Sketchy is my 1924 Dodge rat rod, and I do intend at some point to have it street legal, and I have pretty much everything else. I'll need to do a horn, which is easy. I've got my lights and my turn signals and all that stuff already done, and but I haven't done my front turn signals yet, so that's what I'm going to do today. I was trying to come up with a good idea, and so I got digging through my parts, and I found I had these Honda turn signals off of I believe off of CB750, and I was trying to figure out where I wanted them at, try different things. And so I got my wife out here to have her look at it, get her input, and we decided right here seemed to be the best location aesthetically and functionally. Granted, that tire's blocking view for somebody that would be turning from there, but for the most part it's highly visible. So what I'm looking at now is, when it comes to mounting, I have this iron pipe that is the same diameter as the inside of the turn signal, and I have a tap that will fit this. So instead of welding this on here like I normally would, I'm going to try to drill a hole right, let's see, which I'll be able to shorten this down to whatever length I want once I get it mounted in there. But I believe get right in there, maybe back there. Look again where I'm looking at. Just like that. And then I can go ahead and run my wire and hide it on the inside of it. My only concern looking for at this point, and I may fix that by welding a piece along the top here to tie these in together, is that I'd weaken this support for that shock too much if I go drilling a hole in it. Of course, I can take the headlight off and get it out of my way for now. I'd still want to drill a hole in the middle, so I have some place to run this is my wire for my blinker, so I have some place to run it. So I guess that's it. That's the game plan. That's what I'm shooting for. So go ahead and set the camera up. And still got to go back in and properly secure my splices and solder them and shrink tube them and all that, and go back in, and I'm actually opposite my left and right trunk. Well, that's just a minor issue in the dash that I have to get into anyway. So anyway, that's my turn signals on Sketchy, and hope you found it entertaining. I hope I can edit it to something that's usable. But yeah, that's it. Probably in the near future, I'll be coming back with some metal strap come across the top, weld that together and close that on both sides to help strengthen this up, because I did weaken it some by drilling that hole there. I mean, this is pretty solid, but just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. So anyway, that's it for now. This is Glenn for GMP Custom Fabrications. This is Glenn for GMP Custom Fabrications, living the dream till the freaking phone rings. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.